Welcome, Supercars fans.
Whoa. Look at this.
I'm excited tonight to take you on an exclusive tour of the Red Bull Ampol Racing Workshop and to announce the replacement driver for the 7 times championship winner, Jamie Whincup.
Yeah, about time he gave it up.
Who are they going to get to replace the GOAT?
Well, the talk is RD. Nah, he's been driving every box under the sun.
Useless.
So this is Jamie Whincup, your new team principal from 2022 of Red Bull Ampol Racing.
Imagine wanting to become a team owner and deal with that lot.
Actually, yeah. That.
Big shoes to fill, about a 10 US.
So if it's not RD, who do you reckon it's going to be?
What about Lownsy?
Yeah, Lownsy!
He's fit as.
Like a younger version of you, brother.
I think he's done.
What about the dude, mate? Dirty, dangerous dude, Paul Morris. He'd fit in, wouldn't he?
What about Valentino Rossi?
Yeah, wrong fuel.
And J-Dub's gone. Surely SVG's ready for another retirement too. And the repair bill will be a lot cheaper if they're both gone.
What about the guy with a big, nice mullet? Be nice to have Toby Price.
Who's Tony Rice?
Toby Price, he just walks over the one that...
Here it is.
So without further ado, our new driver at Red Bull Ampol Racing is... Ah!